Vertical gardening is an innovative solution for those who have limited space but still want to enjoy the beauty and benefits of gardening. By utilizing vertical surfaces such as walls, fences, and balconies, you can create a stunning and space efficient garden that maximizes your greenery. We will explore some inspiring vertical gardening ideas that will help you transform even the smallest of spaces into a thriving oasis. Vertical garden structures. One of the key elements of vertical gardening is the use of structures that provide support for your plants to grow vertically. Install trellises, arbor, or lattice panels against a wall or fence to create a framework for climbing plants. Vertical garden planters such as pocket planters or modular systems are perfect for growing herbs, flowers, or succulents. Hanging baskets and wall-mounted planters are also excellent options for vertical gardening. By utilizing these structures, you can take advantage of vertical space and create a visually stunning display of cascading foliage and vibrant blooms. Creative plant selection. Choosing the right plants is crucial for successful vertical gardening. Opt for trailing and vining plants like ivy, morning glories, or sweet peas that naturally climb and cascade down the vertical structure. Succulents such as sedum and echeveries are also great choices as they are low maintenance and can be planted in vertical planters or wall-mounted pockets. Consider using herbs like basil, thyme, or mint, which not only add a delightful aroma but are also practical for culinary use. Mix and match different plant varieties to create a dynamic and visually appealing vertical garden. Utilizing unconventional spaces. Think beyond walls and fences when it comes to vertical gardening. Utilize unconventional spaces such as balcony railings, a staircase, or even old pallet to create vertical gardens. Hang planters or install vertical trellises on these surfaces to bring life to otherwise unused spaces. Additionally, consider using vertical hanging system or plant pockets to transform a blank outdoor or indoor wall into a lush green backdrop. By utilizing these unconventional spaces, you can make the most of every nook and cranny and add a touch of nature to even the smallest of areas. In conclusion, vertical gardening opens up a world of possibilities for those with the limited gardening space. By creatively utilizing vertical structures and choosing the right plants, you can create a stunning vertical garden that adds beauty, greenery, and even edible delights to your small space. Embrace these vertical gardening ideas and transform your space into a thriving oasis of nature.